Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Pho Dac Biet easy guide. Begin by roasting bones and charring aromatics, then simmer slowly for clear flavor. Skim impurities often, add toasted spices and fish sauce to taste. Keep the heat low and cook long for a gelatinous, savory broth. Prepare rice noodles and thinly sliced beef just before serving so they stay tender and fresh. In this video, I will show how to make Pho Dac Biet easy guide. Start by covering bones with cold water and bringing to a gentle simmer while skimming foam. Add charred onion, ginger, and toasted spices in a muslin bag to infuse without clouding. Simmer slowly, adjust salt and fish sauce for balance, and strain carefully to keep the broth clear and deeply flavored before assembling bowls. In this video, I will show how to make Pho Dac Biet easy guide. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers smart voice control and efficient floor cleaning so you can focus on cooking instead of crumbs. It learns your home and keeps floors tidy between meals. If you like this tip, subscribe and like, check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make Pho Dac Biet easy guide. Cook noodles until just tender and drain to avoid sogginess. Then arrange in bowls with thinly sliced beef and brisket. Pour hot broth over meat to cook it instantly and keep noodles warm. Offer fresh garnishes like lime, basil, sprouts, and chili so each diner customizes their bowl to bright, spicy preference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.